Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I know you all are fine with the grace of Almighty. I am also quite fine here. So, my dear students, today I am going to start a wonderful story. Do you want to listen that story? Okay. So, let's see what is our new story. Our new story name is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Let's see what happened in the story. I'm also very excited. Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who took care of the sheep in the village. He was very dedicated to his work. Every day, he used to take the herd of sheep to the top of the hill and bring them down by evening. But one day he felt really bored and said, I am feeling so bored. All the villagers work together, but here I am all alone taking care of the sheep and no one else to talk to me. What should I do? Suddenly he had an idea, a wicked one. He went over the edge of the hill and started shouting, Help! Help! There is a wolf! He is going to eat all our sheep! Help! Hearing the boy cry out for help, all the villagers came to the top of the hill to save the sheep. But reaching there, all they could see were calm sheep grazing the grassland. Villagers said, You silly boy, where is the wolf? Why did you cry out for help? The villagers were very angry and left the place cursing the shepherd boy. Ha 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 ha! This is so much fun! Who said this? Yes, shepherd boy. So, the next day the shepherd boy was back again to the routine, taking the sheep for grazing, and yet again he found himself completely bored. Let's try that prank again. The boy again went to the hilltop and started shouting, Help! Help! There is a wolf! He is going to eat all our sheep! Help! Once again, the villagers, after hearing the boy cry out for help, ran to save the sheep. But once again came back after being fooled by the boy. This is not right. You would have to pay this one day. Who said this? Yes, villagers. So, with no regrets on his face, the shepherd boy went back to his sheep. This time, the villagers did not pay any heed to the boy's screaming. The villagers said, Let's leave him this time, too he might be playing a prank on us. The boy kept on crying for help, but no one turned to help this time. All he could do is stand there and watch his sheep getting killed by the wolf. Oh, I should not have played that prank with villagers. Nobody believed me when the wolf actually turned up. What should I do now? I have lost all my sheep. So, my dear students, what happened in the end? Yes, because of boy boy always telling lie. So is it good to tell lie? No, is it very bad? Nobody believed on him. So never tell a lie, never prank to anyone. Okay? So if you watch the story, so click this link and you can easily watch the video. Okay? You must watch that. Okay, now here the give me answer. This story is about, just think, just recall the story and think about. This story is about, yes, this story is about a boy, shepherd boy, about the sheep, about the villagers and wolves. Superb. This story is about boy, sheep, villagers, wolf. Wonderful. So you can do it. Okay. Now it's time to give you homework. Retell the story to your friends or anyone. Okay. You must be retell the story to anyone. So complete your homework and see you soon. Goodbye.